After being closed for nearly a week, this beloved drive-in is back in business. The owner says he's lucky to be opening up so soon after the storms. The doors are open at the Lake Zoar Drive-In. The owner of this historic eatery,
we thought it was going to be just a normal day,
recalls the moments floodwaters threatened his business.
My heart was in my throat. I mean, I can't say it enough. You know, when you see that amount of water and it was coming towards the building rather than, you know, out back in the lake or what have you, literally the force of that water was immense.
The basement of the drive-in was flooded, impacting their well water. Basso says it's been hectic trying to get back open.
I was very happy to hear that our well was fine and our water is safe for public consumption. Gave that information to the health department. So they came and did their inspection and they took care of us and they gave their glowing report.
Nearly a week after the storms, he's glad to be serving his famous food again. And so are his customers.
Oh, it's great that they're open. It's a local business that wasn't hit and got wiped out. It was like some of the other businesses around town are gone. So we're happy.
Employees say business has been slower than normal as the drive-in is now harder to get to.
We've had people call, trying to get here and get directions to get here. So, it's just been a slow day. First day open again. What more can we ask for?
The restaurant posting a map on their Facebook page, hoping to get people back in the door. Basso believes the destruction of the nearby bridge on Route 34 actually helped save his business.
If the bridge hadn't failed, I don't think the building would have been there. The way the water was coming at us, it probably would have just pushed us right off the foundation.
Progress to repair this collapsed portion has already begun. Crews with the Connecticut Department of Transportation say they plan to have this part of Route 34 open in the coming week. A more permanent bridge will be built in the months ahead. Reporting in Monroe, Jake Garcia, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.